We have a long history with NorthWinds, and it started in our facility, Tuffy's Pet Food in Perham, Minnesota. Tuffy's went through a new building in which they brought in new equipment and also invested higher in technology and automation, and they partnered with NorthWinds to do that. So when we were building this greenfield facility here in Delano, we already had a good partner. They were here from early conversations as we started the project, and then all the way through commissioning, and then still continue to support us today. The software we're using BatchMate and BatchLogix and ERP integration. BatchLogix really kind of drives the integration between all the systems. It really stores everything and it keeps our specifications, so we know we're making product to design every time.
You can load the campaign, it's 3 buttons and you're where you need to be. We started off with hands-on dials, you're turning on your steam manually and you're looking at a little flow meter. Okay, I'm gonna crank it just a little bit more. That seems about right, cool. Versus, okay, I need 0.5 more of this. I need 0.6 of this. I need to make 0.1 adjustment. It's wonderful, I love it.
It breaks down the process for an operator. It kind of automates everything, right? So instead of having to remember to pull a lever or push a button, the system's doing it for you in an automated process.
Using the NorthWind's control system is just really simple.
There's confirmation buttons. Anytime there's some kind of an error, there is an alarm screen that pops up.
It's good to have that, hey, there's something going on. You need to figure it out. Go to your alarms. You can see, okay, this is what's wrong. This is how I can problem solve what's going on next.
If we can fix it, then it's an easy button. Just have to reset an alarm. Otherwise, it's something maintenance or NorthWind can help us with.
We've got good, knowledgeable people on that end that help us out with the problem, and we get it corrected pretty quick.
Where NorthWinds stands out over, we started up a lot of different equipment, a lot of processes, dealing with a lot of people, and we need support. We're a 24-hour operation now, and sometimes that supports the wee hours of the morning and stuff. We've always been able to get support when we need it.
We could talk about the system all we want, and we could talk about how seamless it was, but I think the people at NorthWind that we have dealt with, whether it's customer service or just calling up some text to help, have really been the game changer in the whole startup.
NorthWinds isn't just our automation supplier, they're a partner, they're part of our team.